Hi, my name is Laura, and I'm going to show you how to make an interior and exterior model of the Earth using Play-Doh. What you'll need is Play-Doh and a ball for your inner core. So I'm going to start with my ball, and I'm going to take yellow Play-Doh to represent the outer core. So what I'm going to do is sort of flatten it out a little bit, wrap it around, and then try to seal it. We're going to try to make a ball. Basically, this is going to be sort of like Russian dolls with balls of Play-Doh. All right, so once we've got this ball, what we're going to do is move on to the next layer, the sort of redder layer, which Play-Doh gives us limited options, so we're going to use purple. And this is going to be our mantle layer. So similar to what you did with the yellow, actually exactly the same, only slightly larger. You're going to take it, wrap it. You're going to need more for this layer. This is a thicker layer. Okay, now we're going to take our final layer, the blue water and land layer, and wrap that around the outside. This is going to be the thinnest layer. So we'll press it out very thin. And then wrap it around. And push it till it fits. All right, now how we're going to show the inside is we're going to cut through this. So I'm going to take the area that didn't fully get covered because of closing the ball. We're going to cut right into it. So what you want to cut out is like a quarter of this ball. And I'm using this because this is like the sharpest tool that I have that I think will get through all layers. I'm going to go over it to make sure that all of it's actually cut, except for our inner core. That part will stay whole. And now pull it apart. And if you label it, you have a 3D model in Play-Doh of the Earth, from the inner core to the outer core to the mantle to the surface. That is how you make a 3D interior-exterior model out of Play-Doh of the Earth. I'm Laura. Thanks for watching.